Hi my respected friends. Today in this video I will show my Mahzooz draw prediction. Upcoming draw is starting on 11th February 2023. You can see I write here three numbers. The 28 number is not came in previous 28 draws. The 21 number is not came in previous 25 draws. The 43 same is not came in previous 25 draws. If you are thinking these numbers are the best for the upcoming draws of Mahzooz, if these numbers in your list, then it is the time you should go with these numbers in your selection. By 16 powerful numbers, including these numbers from 1 to 9, I have two numbers 1 and 9. From 10 to 19, I have four numbers 12, 13, 17 and 18. From 20 to 29, I have three numbers 21, 26 and 28. I already showed here 28. From 30 to 39, 31, 32 and 37 and also 34. From 30 to 39, I have four numbers. In last from 40 to 49, three numbers 41, 43 and 48. Friends, these are the best numbers for the upcoming draw of Mahzooz Saturday draw. These numbers has good chances to come. Next is most important point. You should select your maximum numbers between 10 to 35. According to my research, 3 or 4 numbers should come between 10 to 35. You should select your maximum numbers, 3 numbers in odd and 2 numbers in even. If you want to play the repeated number from previous result, previous result is 3, 5, 6, 11 and 14. In previous draw, short numbers was came. You can see if you want to pick one number from previous result, then this number 11 has chances this number can repeat. You can also pick this number from previous result. Okay guys, this is my prediction for the Mahzooz draw. If you like anything, any number, you can choose. If you don't like, you can leave it. In my previous video, I showed the best pattern for this draw. You can select your numbers according to that pattern. Again, good luck to all and goodbye.